With my sister.
Mikaela.
With my mother.
Josel.
With my papa.
Michael.
And today we're gonna make tuna pasta. The ingredients are noodles, olive oil, okay, salt, pepper, brown pepper, leftover tuna, and a leftover tuna, cheese, and garlic.
For making pasta noodles, put water on the pan. Let it boil. Put some salt. Then add olive oil. Once the water boils, put the noodles on the pan. Use a tong to stir the noodles. Then drain the noodles. In making a pasta sauce, put olive oil on a pan. Put and saute the garlic on the pan. Then put the leftover tuna on the pan. Put some pepper on it. Add cheese. Put some salt to add taste. Put the tuna sauce on top of the cooked noodles.
Put the cheese on top of
Tuna
tuna
pasta.
pasta.
Spread it everywhere.
Presto! Done on the tuna pasta.
Wanna mix it first?
The finished the tuna.
Taste it. Go first.
Yummy.
Yummy.
One fall in my hand earlier.
Yummy.
I want to tuna. Let's try it.
Try.
I feel like it's better the tuna.
This is good.
Here.
Thank you for watching us.
Thank you.
I hope you like this tuna pasta recipe.
Pasta recipe.
See you next time, guys. Bye!